Hey everyone, as we all know, the swipe feature for iOS has been recently released. It's the unofficial one coming with the Cydia app, so you can use it in your jailbroken phones. In the Android phones like this Galaxy S, it's already available and it's there in the beta version. So here's a quick comparison of the swipe feature on both the OS, the iOS and the Android. As it's still an unofficial one in the iOS, you would be seeing no much features, and it won't be a dedicated one. There won't be any special features of the swipe. There's just the recognition of the interface, like this is the one. It says hello, like you have to move your finger on that, and this is the circling of the L, so that it's typed twice. The L letter comes twice. The same thing in the Android phones like this Galaxy. This is one of the differences between the two phones and the two OS. Here there are suggestions of the different words. Here you can select from one of those words. And other feature is that when you type in the Android phone, one is this suggestions, where you can select the one you wanted, and you don't need to hit the space bar. It automatically sets the space. Look, the space automatically set, but in the iOS still there's nothing like the automatic spacing. You have to manually hit the space. This is coming without the spaces, and the other feature of it is the deletion of the words. Like you have the hello here and here. Let me type a phrase. The same thing in this one. You're seeing that I'm typing the space bar by myself and it isn't taking it automatically. So one more difference between both of them is that you don't have a feature to delete the entire word at once. If at all you press this for long, it won't delete at all. You need to hit it for every letter in this way. But in the Android phones, in the swipe of Android, just long press the backspace button and you will see the entire words being deleted there. And in the keyboard of iOS, you don't have any swipe options and any option to open the swipe tips. It's just the normal keyboard. In this you would see the swipe key. There are many options of swipe in it. So this is the complete version of swipe in Android, what you're seeing, and in the iOS it's still through the Cydia, so it's the unofficial one, not coming officially through the Apple App Store. You have to download in your jailbroken phones. And one more difference is that there are no suggestions and no replacements of the words. The replacement of the words you can see in this one. You are typing something, it replaces the word with something else. If at all it sees that there's more importance given to any other letters, so you can just delete that word from the dictionary. Like if you see some word like hello with 3 O's, you have to just select the text and hit on the swipe key, so it would add this to your dictionary if at all it wasn't in the dictionary. And if you want to remove it, just hit the same thing again and you would see the delete option. There's nothing like that in the iOS right now. As of now, these are the differences, and we would be waiting for the official launch of the Swype through the Apple App Store, which will be done very soon. Thank you for watching.